In this guide, I'll show you how to add friends from contacts on Venmo. Begin by launching the Venmo app on your device and tap the menu from the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to Preferences and tap on Friends and Social. Switch the toggle button next to Phone Contacts to enable syncing. After that, open the Venmo app, tap the menu icon and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Preferences. Tap on Friends and Social. Switch the toggle button next to Facebook Contacts to enable syncing. Because syncing your phone contacts with Venmo automatically adds them to your friends list and you to theirs, provide their enabled contact syncing. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.